Welcome to the video. Today we're doing a full day of eating all fast food and I'm hitting my macros. My current macro goals are between 2200 and 2400 calories, 160 to 180 grams of protein, 65 to 75 grams of fat, and 240 to 260 grams carbs. So that's what we're shooting for today. The rules are 3 meals. I might have a little snack at the end. 3 meals from 3 different restaurants. So you guys voted and it ended up being McDonald's, KFC, and Arby's. So McDonald's will be breakfast. I'll take you there. Let's go. Yeah, can I get a egg white delight?
I won't have the egg white delight anymore.
Okay. Bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle with egg whites?
We don't have egg whites.
2 egg McMuffins. So as you guys saw, McDonald's did not have my 2 first options of choice, but we compromised and we got 2 egg McMuffins, and I will make that work out. You'll see how I'll do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my body fat check quick, then I'll be right back out here to eat. But yeah, see you in like 2 minutes. All right, we're back. So what I got? 2 egg McMuffins and a medium black coffee. That's all I got. I'll put a screenshot of my MyFitnessPal right there for you guys. So that's what we're going with. You guys want to watch me eat this, don't you, huh? Let's go. Take a bite. Take a bite. That's so satisfying. Of course they don't have egg whites. That's alright though. You'll see. And you got the chewiness from the English muffin. And then you got the ham's chewy as well, and then American cheese. Heck yeah. Let's go. Alright, 1 down. Cheers to number 2. I honestly could eat solid 6 of these right now. Last bite. Cheers. And then yeah. Oh, there's some cheese. I gotta get that extra cheese. Gotta peel that off. Every calorie counts. All right, meal 1 down. I'll see you at lunch. Okay, everyone. It is lunchtime. And lunchtime means Arby's. So let's go. Hey, can I get the turkey and Swiss sandwich with no cheese or mayo, and then a classic roast beef sandwich? Okay, thank you. Here we are, lunchtime, Arby's. Arby's. Underrated, big time. Everybody forgets about it. But what we got 2 sandwiches. Turkey and Swiss from the Marketplace. Well, Marketplace turkey and Swiss. No mayo and no cheese. And also a classic roast beef. So that's my meal. And then water. I need my water. Oh boy. Look at that. So we got mustard. Looks like Dijon. Mustard, turkey, red onion, tomato, and lettuce. Simple, but delicious. Wow. That's so good. See, just by doing little things like getting rid of the mayo and cheese, that dropped the fat content. It wasn't a crazy amount, but it adds up. If I would have left the mayo and cheese on, I would have been over on my fats for the day. This half looks even better. Oh man. Oh. If I can do this, you guys can too. I promise you. I love food more. I want to say more than absolutely everybody. I'm very confident in that, but I don't want to offend you. Mustard on sandwiches or in anything, if you're trying to be pretty on point with your macros and you don't want your fat to be too high, man, mustard, basically 0 calorie. That's some strong mustard. It's like horseradish. Well, got my body fat check. I'm at 9.5%. And if I continue to eat this every day and kept working out, hey, I'm gonna burn fat. So you don't really have to cook all your meals. I probably won't feel the best after today because the sodium in my fiber is not gonna be up to par, but hey, it's okay to have days like this. Enjoy it, still stay on track. It feels like a cheat day, but it's not. Turkey and Swiss down. Roast beef time. I haven't had one of these in a long time. Oh man. Back in the day when it was 5 roast beefs for $5.95. Now that is what I miss. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Are you kidding me? Eat this? Hit my macros, lose fat, burn fat? So salty, so soft. A little bit of the Arby's sauce right now too would make it the sweet and savory. Let's go. I like my sodium every now and then, actually all the time. Just drink your water if you always go over on sodium. All right, roast beef down. And I'll put the macros up right now. So, lunch is done. Now I just have supper. I'll see you there. Got a brewery boot camp to teach quick first, so I'll see you later. Can I get a number 3? Oh, can I do grilled?
Sorry, we didn't get a grill.
Oh no. I don't know. I think I'll go find it somewhere else, okay?
Sure.
Yep. Thank you. Okay guys, I don't know if you heard that, but they don't have the grilled chicken. They only have the fried or extra crispy. Well, 8 p.m. on a Friday, I don't know if that should matter, but we're going to drive. I have an hour drive home, and there's a place on the way, another KFC. So we'll see if they have grilled. I'm hoping. Or else, we'll still figure it out. We'll see what we can do. We are back.
How can I help you?
Hey, do you have the Southwest grilled chicken salad?
We don't do grilled chicken, but we do have a salad.
Okay. I'm gonna go check somewhere else. I might be back. Another place not doing grilled chicken. I tell you guys what. KFC in Fargo, no grilled chicken. Call KFC in Detroit Lakes, not doing grilled chicken. Drive through McDonald's again, You're not doing grilled chicken. So if I would have done the fried chicken, I would have been over on my fats. So I did go to the grocery store. You could still call this fast food. It's already ready. So I got I wasn't gonna do any salads today either, but I got a strawberry almond salad. And then I got fat-free Catalina dressing. I've never had this, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be a good match, but hey, just 14 grams of carbs, I think, in the whole thing, if I eat it all. And then need more protein, so I got canned chicken breast, grilled chicken breast. So in this whole can, there's 60 grams of protein. This is a trick. This is really not that bad. It's not like great, but it can get you to where you need to be. And then I need some more carbs after that. Triscuits are one of my favorite, so I picked these up too. A few servings of these. Salad. I'm gonna put that grilled chicken on top of the salad. Salad dressing. And I'll show you the end macros. Let's go. It's scrumptious. Almost looks raw. It's gotta be cooked, right? I think so. If it's canned. It's actually really good. For being fat-free and 14 grams of carbs in the whole thing. I don't even think I need all of it either. Also, the salad is way bigger than I anticipated. But let's eat. Almost done with this massive salad. Now 2 servings of smoked Gouda Triscuits. I love that you get a good chunk of fiber in these too. 3 grams per serving. So serving is 6 crackers, 12. Look at that math. Genius. 12 crackers, and we're done for the day. Mmm, smoky. Wow. It is smoked Gouda. Wow. Yeah, I'm happy. So what did we learn today? We can't be super reliable on fast food restaurants. We can make it work though, even if a fast food restaurant doesn't have an item that you expect them to. Don't just order something else just because, but we should be more prepared in advance. Like just having like a source of protein with you. Just even bring your protein powder and then find water somewhere. You can obviously find water anywhere. So, hey, grocery stores, can't go wrong. Canned chicken, Triscuits, salads. And I obviously do not recommend that you eat, eat like this daily, because the sodium today, it's gross. I'm gonna feel like crap tomorrow just because the sodium in general. And I didn't get as much water as I usually do because, well, I should have brought a gallon with or something, but that's all preparation too, being prepared. But of course, McDonald's didn't come through. Made it work, but then KFC came and bit me in the butt. Maybe if I would have went there earlier before Brewery Boot Camp, because I went at 8 p.m. on a Friday. That could be part of it. Maybe they just don't make grilled chicken after a certain time. These are good. I highly recommend these. Any flavor. I think all the flavors have pretty similar macros too. What kind of full day of eating should I do next? Let me know. So I want to do more of these fast food ones like this. Like, it's obvious it's not healthy, but you can make it work. I just want to give you guys more ideas of how you can like hit your protein easy when you don't have like your protein powder with you, or chicken breast, anything like that. Or yeah, canned chicken. And actually comment which restaurant you don't think it's possible. Like there's probably some where you couldn't eat like a full day there. You could probably make it work for at least one meal. So now I'll put the macros for this meal on the screen now. And then here are my macros for the full day. So as you can see, I was right within my range that I was shooting for. It wasn't as planned at all. There was only the 2 items I got that were planned, which were Arby's, both the Arby's items. But I hope you guys take something from this video, put it to use, and I'll see you next time.